Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing a Euclidean geometry for grade 11 exam question. So let's get on with it. It says here CD is a diameter and PC is a tangent to a cycle. So if DC is the diameter, and then that will mean that angle there is 90, and then PC is a tangent meeting the diameter at point C, that this angle here is 90 by tan diameter. Tan is perpendicular to the diameter, and then it says chord DK is produced to meet PT intersects KC at Q. CDP is 40, you have 40, you have 25, then you have 65. And then let's get to the first question. Determine with reasons the size of the following. So angle C2. So we have to determine angle C2. Here is C2. So you'll realize that C2 is between the tangent and the chord KC. That means, okay, now let me just choose a different color. It means the angle C2 is equal to 40 degrees by tan chord theorem. So we'll just say C2 is equal to 40 degrees. The reason is tan chord theorem. Now let's go to the second question. Calculate angle K1. We've already designated K1 as 90 degrees. So we'll just say K1 is 90 degrees. The reason is the angle subtended by the semicircle, since DC is the diameter. And then let's calculate angle P1. Angle P1 is over there. So you realize that we have angle C2. We've already calculated it to be 40 degrees. Then we need P1. Then you realize that it has a P1 forms part of the triangle PCQ, where angle Q is 65 degrees. So here we'll just say P1 plus C2 is going to give us angle Q, which is 65 degrees. So that will be the exterior angle of the triangle. So now we'll just substitute P1 plus C2 is 40 is equal to 65. So that will mean P1, taking 40 to the right hand side, you'll get P1 is equal to 25 degrees. And then finally prove that TC is equal to QC. So here is TC and here is QC. You realize that angle Q is 65. If you can prove that this angle here is 65 as well, then we'll prove the condition, because that would mean we are dealing with isosceles triangle. So now we have to realize that angle T1 is an exterior angle to angle P, which is 25, and angle D. So we'll say here angle T1 is equal to angle P, which is 25, plus angle D, which is 40. So the reason would be the exterior angle of triangle. So basically T1 is 65 degrees. So now we'll conclude that since T1 is 65, it's equal to angle Q. That will mean TC is equal to QC. The reason would be this will be the isosceles triangle. So that's it. If you like the lesson, please hit the like button. and consider subscribing.